Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install Facebook app on an Android phone. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, gotta find your Play Store. Okay, tap on it. Now gotta go to the bottom, tap on the search function. Now gotta go to the top and tap on search apps and games. Now once done, just type down Facebook and hit on find. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, here we have Facebook from Meta Platforms Incorporated. So just tap on install, wait for the process to finish, and then once that's done, as you can see here, we can now go ahead and tap on open. If not, you can find the Facebook logo right here on your app section, tap and hold and add it to your home screen. Okay, just like this one right here. Move it wherever you want, tap and hold. I'm going to go ahead and move it in my social media folder right here. So tap on it to open it up and just log in with your Facebook account. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to install Facebook app on an Android phone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.